Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video and your daily update, of course, on Sei or Sei. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I think it's actually Sei. I mean, Sei is a little bit of a Dutch way to say it. I think doesn't matter, but we'll do a daily update. What we talked about yesterday, I think I was right. I mean, sometimes I forget a little bit, but Look, I didn't like my analysis that much yesterday, but because I said that to me it looked more and more likely, and I actually deleted an indicator here, but it looked more and more likely to me that we were going to crash. All right, that's what I said. But what I said at the end is that I still thought a bullish breakout was most likely, which actually did happen. So what am I doing here? I'm not doing it that great. This should be it. Yeah, all right. So ultimately what I said is that yesterday the price was right here, I believe, still around 62 cents. So what I said is that, we'll break through 65 cents and then get up to 70, 75 cents. And that's where we are right now. Technically, Sei actually broke above 75 cents already. And just in general, I mean, if you look at it, it's very clear to see that it's rallying, all right? It's very bullish right now. At some point of time, this is going to stop. Look, I like Sei. I think it's an interesting project. I don't think it's there yet. It has a tight community, but the chain itself, I mean, the total value locked, it's growing, but it's not that much. I mean, 5 million. If you compare 5.5 million total value locked with other projects, I mean, it ranks among Bitcoin Cash and Nulls and Zilliqa and Songbird and Elastos, which it should be bigger than that. The market cap is at least way bigger than that, because the market cap right now for Sei is a shocking $1.6 billion, which is quite high. If you compare that with the other cryptos of a market cap like that, they are actually their total value locked is way higher. But like I said, it has potential. It's being hyped up, so it's doing great. But at some point of time, it will fall. I mean, if you look at where the volume is coming from, there's a ton of volume coming from Upbit, from BitDump, Binex, which means that there's at least a certain degree of manipulation, which is always, it's not nice. So you should know that. But the thing is today it's still very bullish. I mean, the open interest increased up until 6 hours ago. But technically, we're still very bullish. The volume is still very high, and the open interest is also not decreasing. So, look, the market structure right now is bullish. The open interest is still very high, which means the momentum is still very high. It would be stupid of me to say that we're not going to go up higher. So I think it's most likely that we'll continue. We just broke out of this channel as well. There's multiple ways in which you can draw this channel. You can also just draw the trend line like this, right? Then we broke out of it as well. Usually, I must say, a breakout out of a channel or a pennant like this results in the last push. So I'm not trying to scare you. I'm really not. I'm trying to protect you, all right? For now, I think it's most likely that we will get up to the next price target. It would be 85 after breaking above 80 cents, but I think it's more likely that we'll get up to this bigger level around 95 cents. I think a dollar also has a bit of a magnet to it, but this is the ultimate target, all right? And I think it's most likely that we're going there. The momentum, the fundamentals support it, the technicals definitely support it. Now, the only thing which I do want to warn you about, and which I do want you to know, is that, like I said, there probably is some manipulation going on. So if you see a sudden drop in price, and a bearish breakout, because a bearish breakout would be a great indication, because we haven't had a bearish breakout since the 18th of December. So if that happens, I would say be a little bit careful, all right? Because look, a drop in price is not bad. If we drop down to 65 cents from here, that's not the end of the world. We're just testing support. But if we drop down to 55 cents, that's a bearish breakout, and then we might come down pretty bad. All right, so these are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and bye.